Good morning, everybody. I am cooking again this morning, making a little brunch for Breck and I. I'm going to do some blackened catfish and also some cheese grits to go with that and some eggs. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about my grits. So I'm using today the quick grits. I normally, and never the instant, but I've been ordering my grits online and getting the stone ground grits from this place on Amazon, and I really like them, but because we don't have any place here in Arizona to get them like that. I like to do my grits with half and half and half water. And I put cheese in there and a whole thing of butter. Today I'd use extra sharp cheddar cheese and some pepper jack cheese. The other thing that I also put in there is I like to put a little lemon pepper. So of course I put salt, pepper, a little lemon pepper, and you got my grits cooking. As far as the fish is concerned, I like to squeeze lemon on there, let it soak in, and then I pat dry it because you don't want it wet. Then I have some butter here, and I put like a huge clove of garlic in there, melted it just so that it could infuse the butter with garlic. I brushed the fish, and then I love to use Zatarain's blackened seasoning. If you use this, you don't need any salt because this is pretty salty. But they were out of this, so I found this, and I've never used it before, but we'll see how it ends up, something. I tasted it with my finger, and it tasted pretty good. So I sprinkle the fish, then I come over to my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna get this screaming hot. I'll put the fish on top, on it, and then I will turn it over, and then I will finish it off in a 400-degree oven for a couple of minutes. All right, so now it is time to assemble. I've got my fried egg here. I like to just slide my egg right on top of my grill, so that when I crack that yolk, that all of that yummy yolk runs into my eggs, my grits rather. And now here is the fish. Blackened catfish and cheese grits with a fried egg on top. So we'll just grab this and put it on my plate.